Hello everyone, welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. मैं हूं Radha and I have brought for you in this session 10 sample answers for a very commonly asked STT question, which is what are your classmates or friends' opinion about you? STT में 5 क्वेश्चंस आपको पूछा जाता है जिसके लिए आपको हर एक पैराग्राफ में हर एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिखना पड़ता है। उनमें से सबसे जो कॉमनली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन रहता है स्पेसिफिकली स्टूडेंट्स को जो पूछा जाता है वो है व्हाट आर योर क्लासमेट्स ओपिनियन अबाउट यू। कभी कभी थोड़ा घुमा के क्वेश्चन आता है इसके जगह व्हाट आर योर फ्रेंड्स ओपिनियन अबाउट यू। तो दोनों केस में अगर दो क्वेश्चन आ गया तो दोनों केस में आपको सेम आंसर लिखना है। तो देखते हैं आज के सेशन में मैं ऐसे 10 सैंपल आंसर्स लेके हाजिर हो चुकी हूँ। हर एक आंसर को हम पढ़ेंगे और देखेंगे क्या क्या चीज आप अपने आंसर में लिख सकते हो फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। एंड दिस क्वेश्चन इज ओनली एप्लीकेबल फॉर स्टूडेंट्स एंड नॉट फॉर वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट सैंपल आंसर के साथ। माई क्लासमेट्स एंड फ्रेंड्स view me as a reliable and trustworthy individual. They appreciate my dependability and know they can count on me in times of need. My friends often commend my punctuality and consistent efforts in group projects and assignments. They believe that I am dedicated and committed to our mutual goals. My friends have noticed my proactive approach in solving problems and taking initiative. They see me as someone who is always ready to help and support them. My classmates think I am a good listener and value my advice and suggestions. They appreciate my ability to stay calm and composed under pressure. My friends believe that my reliability and trustworthiness will serve me well in the armed forces. Overall, they see me as a dependable friend and classmate who can be counted on in any situation. तो लोग अगर आप पे डिपेंड करते हैं, आप ट्रस्टवर्दी हो, then this is the answer for you. Let us move on to the sample answer 2. My classmates and friends consider me to be highly motivated and ambitious. They often praise my determination to excel in both academics and extracurricular activities. My friends have observed that I set high standards for myself and work diligently to achieve them. They believe that my strong work ethic is one of my defining qualities. My classmates appreciate my enthusiasm for learning and my willingness to share knowledge with others. They see me as someone who is always looking for ways to improve and grow. My friends think I'm well organized and manage my time effectively. They have noticed my ability to balance multiple responsibilities and prioritize tasks efficiently. My classmates believe that my motivation and ambition will help me succeed in a military career. Overall, they see me as a focused and driven individual ready to take on the challenges of military service. तो अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा motivated हो, ambitious हो, ठीक है, आप दोनों आपकी पढ़ाई और आपके स्पोर्ट्स एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स को आराम से बैलेंस कर पाते हो, then you can write this answer. Let us move on to sample answer 3. My classmates and friends view me as a responsible and dependable person. They appreciate my reliability in taking on tasks and responsibilities. My friends often mention my consistent performance and attention to detail. They believe that I am disciplined and maintained a structured approach to my studies and activities. My classmates have observed that I am respectful and courteous in my interactions with them. They see me as someone who is always willing to go the extra mile to ensure quality work. My friends think I am a good team player and work well in group settings. They appreciate my ability to collaborate effectively and contribute positively to the group's success. My classmates believe that my responsibility and dependability will serve me well in a military career. Overall, they see me as a trustworthy and reliable friend and classmate. तो अगर आप पे सब रिलाई करता है, आप बहुत डिसिप्लिन्ड हो, आप अपने चीजों को बहुत अच्छे से संभाल के चलते हो, आप टीम प्लेयर बहुत अच्छा हो, तो आप ये आंसर लिख सकते हैं. Let us move on to sample answer 4. My classmates and friends consider me to be intelligent and resourceful. They appreciate my ability to think critically and come up with innovative solutions. My friends often commend my problem solving skills and creativity. They believe that my intellectual curiosity drives me to explore new ideas and approaches. My classmates have noticed my enthusiasm for participating in academic competitions and discussions. They see me as someone who brings a fresh perspective to the group. My friends think I'm a quick learner and adapt well to new situations. They appreciate my ability to stay calm and composed under pressure. My classmates believe that my intelligence and resourcefulness will help me excel in the armed forces. Overall, they see me as a bright and innovative individual with a knack for problem solving. तो अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा मेरिटोरियस हो, ब्राइट हो, इंटेलिजेंट हो, आपके पास नए नए आइडियाज है जो आप टाइम एंड अगेन शेयर करते हो अपने फ्रेंड्स और क्लासमेट्स के साथ और डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज में भी, ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट्स, असाइनमेंट्स में, then you can go for this answer. Next answer is sample answer 5. My classmates and friends view me as a confident and articulate individual. They often mention my ability to express my thoughts clearly and confidently. My friends appreciate my active participation in class discussions and debates. They believe that my communication skills are one of my strongest assets. My classmates have noticed my ability to present ideas and arguments effectively. They see me as someone who can articulate thoughts and ideas confidently. My friends think I'm a good listener and respond thoughtfully to others' viewpoints. They appreciate my ability to facilitate productive discussions and keep the group focused. My classmates believe that my confidence and communication skills will help me in a leadership role in the armed forces. Overall, they see me as a poised and articulate individual ready to take on challenges. तो अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा vocal हो क्लास में या कहीं पे भी आप बहुत ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेटिव हो, आप अपने व्यूज़, अपने पॉइंट्स को प्रेज़ेंट करना चाहते हो, आप लोगों के व्यूज़ और पॉइंट्स के साथ डिस्कस करना चाहते हो, आप गुड लिसनर हो, ठीक है? देन दिस इज़ द आंसर फॉर यू. Next is a sample answer 6. My classmates and friends consider me to be creative and innovative. They appreciate my ability to think outside the box and come up with original ideas. My friends often commend my creative approach to solving problems and completing projects. They believe that my creativity is one of my unique strengths. So basically अगर आप बहुत creative individual हो, ठीक है, जैसे आप पेंटिंग करना बहुत पसंद करते हो या आप डांस में हो, आप कोई म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाते हो, यानी बहुत क्रिएटिव इंडिविजुअल, तो आप ये आंसर लिख सकते हैं इजिली और यहाँ पे आप एग्जाम्पल्स भी दे सकते हैं. My classmates have noticed my enthusiasm for participating in arts and cultural activities. So here you can give what kind of arts or cultural activities you participate in. They see me as someone who brings a fresh perspective to the group projects. My friends think I'm resourceful and can find innovative solutions to challenges. They appreciate my ability to adapt and come up with new ideas in different situations. My classmates believe that my creativity will help me excel in the military, where innovative thinking is valued. Overall, they see me as a creative and dynamic individual with a flair for innovation. The next sample answer 7. Here we are going to discuss what your classmates think about you or what your friends think about you. My classmates and friends view me as a disciplined and focused individual. मतलब अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा disciplined individual हो, आप बहुत focused हो, dedicated हो अपने पढ़ाई को लेके, अपने काम को लेके, sports, extracurriculars, कहीं पे भी अगर आप participate करो उस चीज़ को लेके, then you can write this answer. They appreciate my ability to stay focused on my studies and maintain a high level of concentration. My friends often mention my commitment to academic excellence. This is for those of you who are very meritorious and very bright students and score very high in your, you are very good in your studies, okay? They believe that my discipline is one of my key strengths. My classmates have observed my consistent performance in exams and assignments. They see me as someone who is dedicated to achieving my goals. My friends think I'm able to manage my time effectively and balance multiple responsibilities. They appreciate my ability to stay calm and composed under pressure. My classmates believe that my discipline and focus will serve me well in a military career. Overall, they see me as a determined and focused individual ready to take on the challenges of military training. The next is sample answer 8. Let us see what kind of answer you can write. My classmates and friends consider me to be collaborative and supportive. मतलब अगर आप बहुत अच्छे team player हो, if being a team player is your forte, okay? They appreciate my ability to work well with others and contribute positively to group activities. यहाँ पे आप थोड़ा examples दे सकते हो किस तरह के group activities आपको करना पसंद है या आप excel करते हो उसमें. My friends often commend my teamwork skills and willingness to help them. They believe that my collaborative nature is one of my strongest attributes. My classmates have noticed my ability to lead group projects and ensure everyone is involved. They see me as someone who values cooperation and mutual support. My friends think I'm empathetic and understanding toward others' perspectives. They appreciate my ability to mediate conflicts and find common ground. My classmates believe that my collaborative skills will help me build strong relationships in the military. Overall, they see me as a supportive and team-oriented individual ready to excel in a group setting. The next is sample answer 9. My classmates and friends view me as a dedicated and hardworking individual. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा hardworking हो, dedicated हो अपने काम को लेके, अपने पढ़ाई को लेके, चीज़ों को लेके, ठीक है, आप एक goal oriented इंसान हो, आपको फोकस्ड रहना बहुत अच्छे से आता है और आप फोकस्ड रह के रिजल्ट्स भी बहुत अच्छे लाते हो, then you can write this answer. They appreciate my commitment to my studies and extracurricular activities. My friends often mention my strong work ethic and determination to succeed. They believe that my dedication is one of my defining qualities. My classmates have observed my ability to stay focused and deliver results consistently. They see me as someone who takes pride in my work and strives for excellence. My friends think I'm reliable and can be trusted with important tasks and responsibilities. They appreciate my ability to manage multiple responsibilities effectively. My classmates believe that my dedication and hard work will serve me well in a military career. Overall, they see me as a committed and hardworking individual ready to take on new challenges. Moving on to the last answer now for this STT question. What your classmates or friends think about you? My classmates and friends view me as a compassionate and empathetic individual. मतलब अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा kind हो, बहुत helpful हो, friendly हो, लोगों को मदद करने में आपको अच्छा लगता है और आप बहुत ज़्यादा किसी को कोई भी ज़रूरत हुआ तो आप पहले आ जाते हो, आप अपना help देते हो, उनको help करने की कोशिश करते हो, problem solve करने की कोशिश करते हो, लोगों के लिए आप feel करते हो, उनके feelings को understand करते हो, समझते हो. Then you can write this answer. They appreciate my kindness and willingness to help others. My friends often mention my supportive nature towards those who needs assistance. They believe that my empathy is one of my defining qualities. My classmates have observed my active involvement in community service and social initiatives. मतलब अगर आप मतलब कोई भी NSS में हो या social service करना आपको पसंद है, ठीक है, then you can write this. They see me as someone who is committed to making a positive impact. My friends think I'm understanding and considerate in my interactions with others. They appreciate my ability to listen and offer support when needed. My classmates believe that my compassion will help me build strong bonds in the military, because of course you know that in the armed forces, helping the society, helping the people in need, the citizens of the country, is another job for the armed forces as well. Overall, they see me as a caring and empathetic individual ready to serve others in a meaningful way. तो इस तरह आप अपने आंसर्स को कस्टमाइज कर सकते हो, अपने आंसर्स बना सकते हो, लिख सकते हो। और एक चीज है कि आप इन 10 आंसर्स में से ही उन पॉइंट्स को इकट्ठा कर सकते हो जो आपके साथ बहुत कॉमनली मैच करता हो, एंड देन यू कैन राइट योर ओन आंसर। सो अगर आप अपने एसएसबी इंटरव्यू के लिए ऐसे प्रिपेयर करना चाहते हो तो हमारे एसएसबी इंटरव्यू ऑनलाइन कोर्स को जरूर एनरोल कर लीजिए। इसमें आपको सारे लेक्चर्स और स्टडी मटेरियल्स मिल जाएंगे फॉर योर प्रिपरेशन। इसके साथ साथ आप हमारे साथ लाइव क्लासेस में भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, जो आपके प्रिपरेशन को और इफेक्टिव और स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाएगा। इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एनी अदर रिटन डिफेंस एग्जाम, उसके लिए रिलेटेड कोर्सेज भी हमारे ऐप में आपको मिल जाएंगे। तो आप हमारे एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स ऐप को डाउनलोड कर लीजिए अभी, और वॉरियर 10 का कोड इस्तेमाल करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलिएगा while you are enrolling to the course, because that will help you to get 10% discount on it. That was it from my side. I hope to see you very soon with the STT questions and their sample answers for your upcoming SSB interview psychological test. Till then, stay tuned with us and always stay positive and motivated. Jai Hind.
अगर आप एक डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट हैं और एसएसबी इंटरव्यू, एनडीए, सीडीएस, एफकैट जैसे एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो आप एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स के कोर्स को चेक करना ना भूलें। आप हमारी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं।